Hey, are you a person who has a Huawei phone? You don't have Google Play services? You don't have the Play Store? You don't have YouTube? Or you don't have the apps that you really want but it's on Google Play services? Google Play Store? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to have all of these things without having Google Play. So, it's S-Bro 123. Okay, we don't have Google Play Store, so it means we're not able to download Google apps. Most of the apps on the Google Play Store. So, how are we gonna download our necessary apps? Well, it's easy. You're gonna use App Gallery, but there's a problem with App Gallery. Okay, most of the apps are like not really good, to be honest. Yes, it does have necessary things like banking apps, it has your messaging apps, but it doesn't really have everything that Google Play Store has. So, what is the solution to this problem? Easy. You're gonna download an app called Apkpure. I know most people already know this, but Apkpure is really a good app market type of application. Why did I say market? Okay, but yeah, it's basically an app store, and I would recommend you downloading this. Okay, so I'll put it in the link to the thing, so that you'll be sorted, and all that. So you'll be able to download apps that you actually need. But you're gonna need another app, which is called SAI. I actually made a video about this, where you're not able to install apps. There's some apps that have app not installed. Well, the SAI, or is it SIA? I don't know. Subtitles will put it there. You can use this app to install apps that you're not really able to install. So basically, if I had my phone, right, I'm trying to install an app from Apkpure, I might get an app not installed error. So basically with SAI, it will tell you that this app is not for your device, and by knowing this, you're able to know that, okay, fine, maybe this version's not for my phone, but if I downgrade it a bit, it might be okay. So, and sometimes SAI just installs the app for you, much more easier. So yeah, so if you want more details on that, I made a video about this, so go and watch it, which is called App Not Installed. But anyways, yeah. So we already have Apkpure and we have SAI as your application installer. But that's not the only app store you can download. There's also Aptoide. Aptoide is really, really good, but it does have its problems because it's not really, how can I say this? Restricted. And when I mean restricted, I mean like this. Okay. So Aptoide basically, right? It's an app store where anyone can publish their own apps into it. So if I want to make an app, I can put it in Aptoide easy. So in Aptoide, it's mostly different types of developers. And the scary part about it is that some of them don't actually do a virus check. So I just want to warn you that be careful about using Aptoide, but Apkpure should actually have already everything that you need, so you don't really need to worry too much. Try Aptoide if you can't find the app you actually want. Okay, now the next thing is YouTube. Most people watch YouTube. I watch YouTube. You probably watching YouTube. Wait, you are watching YouTube if you've seen this video. So, how do you get YouTube? Because if you want to have YouTube, you have to actually install it on the Google Play Store. But we don't have Google Play services. We don't have Google Play Store. But we don't need that actually, because again, down in the link for the app I'm about to say, we have YouTube Vanced. YouTube Vanced is a modified application of YouTube. So basically, it has everything of YouTube, but this time there's no ads. It has different types of features, very interesting features that you can try out. And you can sign into your Google account. I wouldn't really recommend signing into it that much because it's not officially Google. But honestly speaking, I think it's fine. But unless it's an account that isn't really linked to any banking details or anything that's really important. So yeah, I think you can sign in with any other account, but just not accounts that are linked to anything important. I would rather want you to stop. But honestly speaking, it has been safe. I've been using YouTube Vanced for more than 3 years or 2, because before I had problems with my YouTube. I wanted to listen to music in the background, but I couldn't. Okay, skip that. Anyways, but that's not the only cool thing about YouTube Vanced. When you download Vanced Manager, which is gonna be in the link, okay, where you're actually gonna install YouTube Vanced, there's also YouTube Music, and YouTube Music is basically another modified app of YouTube Music. I'm not sure if it's YouTube Music Vanced or they just call it YouTube Music, I don't know. But yeah, you'll see in the subtitles or whatever. But anyways, you can also have this as an extra. You can sign into it and be able to stream music that you had on your Google account. If you want to do that, if you want to. I don't know, but yeah, you can. So yeah, that's basically it. But there could be another problem again. Remember when I said you need SAI, right, to be able to install apps? Well, sometimes there's no actual way of installing the app because you don't support it at all, because you don't have Google Play services. But there is another way that I figured out by myself. I know. You should thank me. And if you want to thank me, subscribe and like the video. Okay, sorry, back to the video. Anyways, the way to actually solve this problem is actually getting the modified app of the app you want to install. So if you're wondering what I mean modified, I mean mod, if you guys want to say it that way, but a modified app of it. So technically, let's say Telegram isn't working, right? It says app not installed. Well, I can just go to my trusty APK done, which I will put in the description too, so you can go into the mod store, so you'll be able to download apps that are modified. Anyways, yes, back again. So now we have to understand something, right? Mods are usually modified apps, right? So most of them will give you unlimited things, right? Like it gives you premium trials and unlimited money, unlimited anything, okay? Basically, it's not normal, right? So the way to do this, they need to cut off Google Play services completely from it, because if Google Play services was still active, it will automatically ruin the app and turn it back to the original app, or warn you that this is not the proper application, delete it. So basically, having a modified app means you do not actually need Google Play services. So when you install a modified app that you wanted, you will be fine. It will actually install most of the time. If it doesn't install, I'm sorry. Just give up. So yeah, it's actually simple. So yeah, that's actually about everything. Well, I guess maybe you want to know what apps to use. Like, let's say Gmail. There's actually an email from the stock, the stock app. I'll put an icon again somewhere, right? A stock email that you can actually sign in with your account and not have any problems, or you can use the browser. I don't know. Then probably actually that's about it. I don't really think there's anything else that anyone would actually want. Yeah, I mean, there's App Gallery, there's Apkpure, and you'll be fine. And this APK done. So yeah. So if you're a Huawei user, send this to people who need help and they don't have Google Play services. And I hope this video helped you, because it helped other people. I've helped other people solve problems, and basically so it was experimenting when I was testing all of this. So I'm happy it helped some people, and I guess it will help you. So if you enjoyed the video and it was actually helpful, please subscribe, like the video. By 150 I'm releasing a gaming channel. I know, it's gonna be awesome, trust me. I'm gonna play different sorts of games, though I'm not gonna really play like high graphical ones, because my phone it's actually kinda so yeah, that's about it. So 150 subs, we're going to get a gaming channel. I remember I said something about 250, something special at 250. I changed that. It's usually, this is like a milestone that type of video where you hit a big number. I don't really think 250 is a big number, so I'm changing it to 1000. That's when I released the video that I was planning to release for 250 subs. So yeah, when we reach 1000, I'll make the video which is special. Yeah, done. Anyways guys, if you like the video, like, subscribe, and share it to your friends and everything. And also comment in the section, comment section. Okay, comment down below about any problem that you encounter. I will try to help you out. I've been helping a lot of people out. I've been active in my comment section, so yeah. Thank you guys for watching. It's sbro123. Don't forget to stay awesome. Peace.